Hi, Kara. Tony here with that video that I promised you. What I want to do today is compare your website to that of one of your main competitors for one of your main keywords. It may not be your most important keyword, but it's one that I picked, and what you learn here applies to any keyword that we go after. I'm also going to dig into the three main ranking factors that Google looks at in order to rank your site. If this information is useful to you and you can use it on your own to help your business out, great. If there's some information here that you want to dig into deeper or talk about in detail, feel free to reach out to me at the end. You'll have my email, and my phone number is 719-338-1955. So the three main ranking factors. Factor number one would be content. Content is nothing more than the words and images on your homepage here. We usually suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a home page. This allows us to get in our keywords and key phrases without coming off as being spammy. Another little trick of the trade is you can actually put keywords behind the actual images on the web page, so the file names that were uploaded. So left link box is not useful. You could really put a keyword that is more in line with what your business does here, and Google would see that and rank you for it. I'm sure the rest of these are doing the same. So as far as content is concerned here, you guys don't have a ton. Let's look at your main competitor for the keyword of laser hair removal. Sarasota Laser Hair Removal and Aesthetics. They have a little bit of text there. They also have images, a little bit more text. So still not anywhere close to 1,500 words, so they shouldn't be that hard to beat in that. They're also not doing great as far as image optimization here, from what I can tell. Although here, service hair removal, at least it says that. So not hard to beat there. Key ranking factor number two would be something called citations. Citations are your business name, phone number, and address as they were given to Google when you made your Google business page, placed within various citation sources on the web. So it's equivalent to a Yellow Pages. We used to get them at our front door. We don't get them anymore. Everything's out on the web now. So the more of these citation sources you have, the better chance you have of ranking in this map pack here, which is a local listing of businesses for your keyword that you searched. In this case, laser hair removal Sarasota. So there's about 300 to 400 citation sources out there. You can Google citation sources for my website, and you'll get a list of these sites. Get your information out on those. Over time, you'll rank better in this map pack. Ranking factor number three is backlinks. Backlinks are votes for your site from another site. So if your site's URL, so Rita Medical Elite.com, is out on somewhere on this site, that would be considered a backlink. Backlinks are not created equal. So if you get a backlink from another laser hair removal site, Google will look at that in higher regard than if you had a backlink out on carlsjr.com or, I don't know, some site that doesn't have anything to do with your niche. Sometimes you can call these websites and ask for your URL to be put out. You can pay money to do it. You can provide content to blog sites that are in relation to your niche. There's various ways to do this. So let's look at that. Right now, you appear to have almost 800 backlinks over 400 different domains. The domain is the actual website. So what this means is your URL is on some websites multiple times. You're being found for 217 keywords organically, giving you about 57 clicks to your site. One thing that I did notice before I started making this video, I quickly looked. You appear to have some of your backlink anchors, which are, when a phrase is clickable and then goes to the website. Some of these are not looking good for you guys. It's like somebody did some SEO for you, and you've got porn keywords and Ashley Madison. I don't know if you know what that is, but you don't want that on your site either. these are going to hinder your ranking. There are ways, Google has a disavow option that you can go and disavow these links. I would highly suggest doing it. If you need help with it, reach out. But yeah, I fear that that is hindering you guys. So let's look at some of these keywords that you are ranking for. Most of your traffic appears to be for your actual business name. So you're not getting a lot of traffic or pretty much any at all for any of these keywords that people might search for when it comes to your services. So Botox, Sarasota, Florida, 30 searches a month, 4 keyword difficulty out of 100, so not hard to rank for, but you're on page 2, the bottom of page 2. You're not going to get found for that. Botox, Sarasota, 155, you're on page 4, essentially, the top of page 4. Med Spa, 70 searches a month, 7 KD, 35. So these you're pretty much out of the race for these guys. Looking for that laser hair removal. There it is, Laser Hair Removal Sarasota. 150 searches a month, 0 KD, you're on page 8. So just no chance of being found for these things. Your competitor here, less referring domains, less backlinks, but their anchors, they've got Sarasota's laser hair removal as an anchor on some sites out there, and here's another variation of that. That is the type of stuff you want to have for backlinks, and that's what's going to drive some power to your site. If we look here, Laser Hair Removal Sarasota, 150 volume, 0 KD, they're in position 1. That's driving 41 clicks, just that keyword. So these are people that are going to call. So they're I don't know if hair removal is something that you're interested in, but there's more keywords out there that are going to be similar to this. So with that being said, I think I gave you all the information I wanted to give you. Again, if you can use this information to help out your business, great. No harm, no foul. That's what I'm offering you. But if you do need assistance, again, my name is Tony. I'm with Groove Web Services. My phone number is 719-338-1955. Have a great day.